This thing has over 5 years of development, thousands of thrilled beta testers, and one common reaction.
That is so weird.
Weird. Yeah. That is a little weird.
Yeah, no, that's weird. That's so cool.
That is wild.
That's crazy.
Try it.
That's nuts. I feel like I can jump right now. I just tore this ACL.
Let's rewind real quick. One thing we all share on this planet is pain. Let me show you. This dude, trumpet elbow. This hombre, saddle sore. These kids all have headaches, except for this kid. He's fine. You know why no one smiles in old photos? They were all in pain. And sooner or later, we'll all experience it too. Young, old, athletic, it doesn't matter. I'm Barton, by the way. 48, 20-year husband, 3-kid dad, and I'm a coach. I know a little something about pain. But pain seems like one of those constants in life. But how did we get to 2020 with just this stuff? We can do better. And a few of my friends have done better. This is Kailo, and it's the future of pain relief. Kailo is different than anything you've seen before because it's the world's first nanotech developed specifically for relieving pain. Unlike other products, Kailo contains zero medication. Instead of adding something into your body, Kailo uses billions of charged nanocapacitors that work like a bioantenna. Kailo supports your body's natural ability to relieve its own pain. You simply place Kailo on your body between your brain and the pain, and within seconds, you'll experience relief. By the way, it really works for me, my family, the players too. I could go on, but let me show you some stoked Kailo users.
So I have really bad knees from running for years and years. It's like in the back of my knee, like on the inside.
So if you were to rate it from like 1 to 10, where would you put it?
Probably like a 7.5 right now.
So it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it right here.
Is it supposed to tingle?
It can. Some people will feel it.
Okay, yeah. I feel it warming up.
So your pain was at, what'd you say, a 7, 6.5? So is it any different now? Is it still the same?
This is like witchcraft. It's probably around a 4 or 3.5.
I want to see if we can get it even lower than the 3 and 4.
This is better.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's probably at a 2. This is freaky. So weird. Oh my gosh. It's like gone. It's way better.
Good.
I can't believe that. What is this?
Okay, hold on. I would say it's drastically decreased the pain level.
It's kind of weird. This would have been nice to have this morning when I was cleaning.
It is weird. I don't feel it now, so I don't know.
Oh, wow. That's nuts. I feel like I can jump right now. I just tore this ACL. That's awesome.
That's so weird. I immediately feel my hands not hurting anymore. So weird. Yeah.
That's cool. That's crazy.
I'll be darned. Look at that. Before, I would get up and go, okay, let's see if I can walk for a minute. And getting up like this, I mean, it's like, wow, that, it's not there. It is not there.